The Earth, our ancient and often silent planet, has once again revealed a secret. Geologists, those patient listeners to the Earth's deep whispers, have made a discovery. This is not just any discovery, it is one that echoes with the clatter of gold, the gleam of silver, and the vital hum of copper. The initial estimates are staggering. They speak of a treasure valued at an almost unbelievable $337 billion. Such finds are incredibly rare. They are the stuff of legends, whispered about in mining towns and dreamed of by prospectors for centuries. The news, confirmed only recently in this spring of 2025, sent shockwaves through geological circles. It then rippled outwards, capturing the imagination of the world. For decades, many believed the Earth had yielded most of its easily accessible mineral wealth. Yet this new find challenges that notion profoundly. It suggests that vast riches still lie hidden, waiting for the right combination of scientific inquiry, technological prowess, and perhaps a little bit of luck. The sheer magnitude of this deposit makes it a once-in-a-generation event, a geological lottery win on a planetary scale. This discovery is more than just a headline. It is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of understanding the planet we inhabit. The location of this extraordinary find is as dramatic as the treasure itself. It lies deep within the remote and largely unexplored Motherlode Massif. This is a formidable range of mountains in a region previously overlooked by major mining corporations. The peaks here are jagged, the valleys deep and often shrouded in mist. Access is difficult, the weather unpredictable. For years, the Motherlode Massif was considered too challenging, too remote for extensive geological surveys. Local legends spoke of strange rocks and unusual metallic gleams, but these were dismissed as folklore. It took a dedicated team from the International Geological Survey Program, or IGSP, to look closer, to listen to the whispers of the land. The discovery was not a sudden, lucky strike. It was the culmination of years of patient work. The IGSP team began with satellite imagery, identifying subtle discolorations in the rock formations. They followed this with airborne geophysical surveys using magnetometers and gravity gradiometers to peer beneath the surface. These advanced techniques hinted at unusual subsurface densities and magnetic signatures. Then came the hard part: boots on the ground. Geologists trekked into the rugged terrain, collecting rock samples, mapping fault lines, and drilling exploratory boreholes. The headline figure of $337 billion is almost difficult to comprehend. It is a sum that could fund nations, transform industries, and create generational wealth. This valuation is based on current market prices for gold, silver, and copper, and the estimated recoverable reserves within the Motherlode deposit. To put it into perspective, this single find is comparable to the annual gross domestic product of several medium-sized countries. The sheer volume of metal involved is equally astounding. Initial estimates suggest millions of ounces of gold, tens of millions of ounces of silver, and crucially, several million metric tons of copper. These are not just numbers on a page. They represent a vast physical quantity of raw material. Imagine the gold. Even a small fraction of the estimated reserves would represent a significant addition to global gold supplies. Gold, prized for its beauty, rarity, and stability, remains a cornerstone of global finance and a vital component in high-end electronics. The silver component, while perhaps less glamorous than gold, is no less important. Section 4. The lifeblood of progress. Gold, silver, and copper are not just valuable commodities, they are fundamental building blocks of our modern world. Gold, often seen as a symbol of wealth and stability, plays a critical role beyond jewelry and bank vaults. Its unparalleled resistance to corrosion and its excellent conductivity make it indispensable in high-performance electronics. Tiny amounts of gold are found in virtually every sophisticated electronic device, from smartphones and computers to critical components in aerospace and medical equipment. Its reliability ensures that these devices function flawlessly under demanding conditions. The new supply from the Motherlode deposit could ensure the continued availability of this crucial element for cutting-edge technological applications, supporting innovation in fields that demand the highest performance. Section 5. A double-edged sword. The discovery of the Motherlode treasure brings with it a wave of potential beneficiaries. Mining companies naturally stand at the forefront. The corporation that secures the rights to develop this deposit will see its fortunes transformed. This involves not just the extraction of the ore, but also the complex processes of refining and bringing the metals to market. This will mean substantial profits and a significant boost to their global standing. Beyond the primary mining entity, numerous support industries will also flourish. These include manufacturers of mining equipment, transportation and logistics providers, and engineering and construction firms tasked with building the necessary infrastructure in the remote Amalago region. This ripple effect can stimulate economic activity far beyond the mine site itself. Section 6. The Crossroads of Decision. The sheer scale of the Amalago discovery has ignited talk of a new gold rush, albeit one driven by advanced technology rather than pickaxes and pans. Modern exploration techniques like those used to find this deposit are far more sophisticated than in previous eras. Satellite imagery, artificial intelligence analyzing geological data, and advanced drilling methods allow for more precise targeting of mineral resources. This technological prowess means that other Amalagos might be out there, hidden beneath challenging terrains or deeper within the Earth's crust. The success in the Amalago Massif could spur a new wave of investment in mineral exploration globally, as companies and governments seek to replicate this remarkable find, hoping to uncover similar bounties. This potential for a technologically driven resource boom brings both excitement and apprehension. On one hand, new discoveries could alleviate supply constraints for critical metals, supporting economic growth and the transition to greener technologies. It could unlock new frontiers of scientific understanding about our planet's geological processes. On the other hand, an accelerated rush for resources could exacerbate environmental pressures if not managed with extreme care.